They claim that you don't have to worry about this robot for up to 70 days, but honestly, who keeps household dust stored for 70 days? And even at this price, there's one basic feature that I feel should have been included, and that is, but when it comes to the actual cleaning quality, how good is it? Let's find out. Hi friends, this is Navin. Welcome to Review 24. In this video, let's take a complete look at the ILIFE T20s Ultra robot vacuum cleaner. This is the high-end model in the ILIFE T20s series. The series has three models: T20s, T20s Pro and T20s Ultra. And the one we have with us is the T20s Ultra. So let's take a detailed look at the everything this robot vacuum cleaner has to offer. Before we move forward in the video, I want to tell you one important thing. For the past 9 years, I have been testing and reviewing different category of products like TVs, refrigerators, washing machines, ACs, kitchen and home appliances, vacuum cleaners, robot vacuum cleaners, mobiles, TWS earphones. I do not depend on any brands. I purchase products with my own money and give honest reviews. My goal is to provide genuine and unbiased reviews to you. If you like my efforts, please subscribe to the channel and support me. Do not forget to like the video and share it with as many people as possible. Be a part of our first 1000 subscribers. Now let us continue with the video. Let's first take a look at what you get inside the box. First, you get the vacuum cleaner along with the self-emptying station. You also get a 2-in-1 dust and water tank, which can be used for both vacuuming and mopping. Along with that, you get 5 dust bags, 2 HEPA filters, 2 side brushes and a roller brush. For mopping, you get 2 mopping pads and a mop holder. There is also a cleaning brush, remote control, instruction manual and warranty card included in the box. Coming to the price, this robot vacuum cleaner priced at 28,990. But with bank discount, we can get it around 27,000. Coming to the design, it looks excellent. It has compact and stylish design, and entire robot is made using high quality plastic. But it comes with glossy finishing, which attracts fingerprints. There is no cheap feeling anywhere, and it feels quite solid in hand. At the top, you get the ILIFE branding and a 360-degree LiDAR sensor. You also get the power and home buttons here. If you press the home button, the robot stops cleaning and returns to the charging station. And when the battery is low, it automatically returns to the charging station and starts charging. Once it is fully charged, it can continue cleaning from the point where it stopped. At the front, you get 2-in-1 dust and water tank along with the water inlet and pre-installed HEPA filter. At the back, you get charging pins and dust outlet. The robot uses this outlet to transfer the collected dust into the dust bag inside the charging station. Coming to the bottom, you get the roller brush, side brush, 3 floor sensors, mop attachment pins, 2 main wheels and a front caster wheel. Overall, the design and build quality are excellent. The remote control also comes with very minimal and compact design. If you don't have Wi-Fi available, you can control most of the basic functions directly using the remote. Remote includes home button, play pause button and a fan icon through which you can control the suction power. Overall, the remote control is also quite good and easy to use. And this robot vacuum cleaner comes with the ILIFE Clean app, which is available on both Android and iOS. First, create an account, select add device and choose the ILIFE T20s Ultra. To put the robot into pairing mode, long press the home and power buttons together. Then connect your mobile to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and follows the app instructions to connect the robot. Once it is connected, you can control almost everything directly from the app. One important thing, when you first get the robot, don't immediately start the cleaning. First, go into the app and select Quick Map to map your entire house. During the mapping process, I recommend temporarily moving appliances or other obstacles out of the way. Also, remove the mopping pads while mapping. Once the mapping is complete, you get 4 different cleaning options. One is smart cleaning, which automatically cleans the rooms, and the second one is room cleaning, allows you to select specific room and clean only that room. Next, zone cleaning lets you select a particular area or zone to clean, and spot cleaning, useful when you want to clean a specific area with heavy dust or stains. You can also set no clean and no mop zones, so the robot will avoid those areas. There is also a virtual wall feature which works like a virtual barrier. The robot won't cross the line you create. You can also check the battery percentage, water level, cleaning mode and many other settings directly from the app. Overall, the app is major plus point, and this robot also supports Google Home, but that's useful for basic functions. The dedicated iLife app offers much more advanced control, and this robot also supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control the robot using voice commands. Now coming to the most important part, cleaning performance. This ILIFE T20s Ultra comes with 10,000 PA suction power, and the cleaning performance is really too good. If you map the house correctly, it can provide corner to corner cleaning and removes a lot of dust effectively. Whether it's a paper pieces, hair, sand or small stones, the robot handles them quite well. It also does a good job cleaning dust from carpets, and because it comes with automatic suction control, you can enable this feature in the app so that the robot increases suction power automatically when it detects carpet. While cleaning, it produces around 60 decibels of noise. You can definitely hear it, but it's not so loud that it becomes disturbing. Another major advantage is the self-emptying technology. You don't have to manually empty the dust tank frequently. The robot automatically transfers the collected dust into the 3 to 5 liter dust bag inside the charging station. iLife claims that it can store dust for up to 70 days. But honestly, who is going to keep household dust stored for 70 days? I would recommend emptying the bag regularly, maybe once every few days, depending on how much dust your house generates. And if the bag gets full, you already get 5 dust bags in the box, so you don't have to immediately search for replacement. Coming to furniture and obstacles, there are some areas that the robot simply cannot clean properly. For example, if you have multiple chairs, children toys or lot of small objects on the floor, some dust can remain underneath or around them. But under large furniture and appliances like refrigerators, sofas, cupboards, cots and tables, it does a really good job of deep cleaning. Overall, I would say the robot can handle almost 90% of the cleaning, depending on how cluttered your house is. But there is one thing that disappointed me. Even at this price, iLife hasn't provided an anti-tangle roller brush, so threads, hair, other particles can get wrapped around the roller brush and you have to manually clean them. That's something I definitely feel should have been included. Coming to mopping, I don't have any major complaints. It does good job of mopping on the floor, just like how we normally move the mop forward and backward in a Y-shaped motion. This robot also mimics a similar Y-shaped movement. It can handle fresh stains really well, but when it comes to old and stubborn stains, you shouldn't expect miracles. Overall, the vacuum and mopping performance is really good. The robot comes with 5200 mAh battery and the battery backup is also quite good. You can get around 3 to 4 hours of runtime depending on the cleaning mode and conditions. And the full charge also takes roughly around 4 to 5 hours. Coming to the warranty, the iLife T20s Ultra comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty. iLife is an established brand when it comes to the robot vacuum cleaners. However, based on my experience, service can sometimes take a little longer, so keep that in mind. Also, I recommend cleaning the robot at least once a week. Take a cloth and clean the sensors, charging pins, dust and water tanks, and most importantly, the roller brush. Overall, the iLife T20s Ultra is a very good robot vacuum cleaner. The cleaning quality, mopping performance, LiDAR mapping, app support, self-emptying station and overall build quality are excellent. My biggest complaint is that at this price, I expected an anti-tangle roller brush. If iLife had provided that, this would have been much better value for money option. At around 28,000, it's good, but during sales, if you can get it under 25,000, then it becomes a much more interesting option. But if you can increase your budget slightly, the EcoVax Debot N30 Plus can be a better option because it comes with an anti-tangle brush. I personally bought EcoVax N30 Plus for around 19,000 1000 during crazy offer, and I have been already reviewed it on our channel. You can check out that review as well if you are confused between these two models. If you are planning to purchase, I have provided the purchase links in the description. You can check the latest price and offers using the links below. If you have any other doubts, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Review24 for more honest and genuine reviews. Thank you for watching. This is Navin signing off. See you in the next one.